Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing fine. And as the exam time is overhead, so we people are going to revise chapter number 5 of your book, that is The Arc of Colors. We will be doing all the important parts again. I'll be revising with you so that you people become so prompt for your examination. You know all the answers very nicely. All right. So let us begin revising. So, chapter number 5, The Arc of Colors. To start with, we all know that this chapter talks about various colors, their importance. It is a story of the colors, and these colors one day they start fighting with each other, and they fight because each color said that yes, I am important, this is my role, and the world is going to be very lonely without me. One said this, the other confronted it, said no, I am also very important. Now all the colors were fighting among each other, and what happened suddenly, the thunderstorm came. What came? The thunderstorm came, the rain came, and it told all the colors that stop fighting. Do you know when it will rain, and after the rain, you all you colors will join and stretch in the sky to form a rainbow. And rainbow is a sign of a hope. So all you colors should not fight with each other. All of you are equally important. And it is really foolish of you that you all are fighting with each other. And now the colors who were very sad because they were not talking to each other are now happy. They got a good lesson from the words of rain. And then they think that, yes, it's right. We should not fight because we have a common role to play. Now let us see what are the various roles of each color in our entire world. What do they say? What is their importance? Now, as you can see on this page, it says, once upon a time, the colors started to fight. Each color said that it was the most important one. Green said, I'm the color of nature. That is why I'm the best. Now, what has green color said? It has said that it is the color of nature. Next comes the blue color. Blue says, I'm the color of water. Without water, you would be nothing. Now, blue is the color of water. So we all know that water is really important for us. Same says the water. Water says that I'm the color of water and you people cannot survive without me. So I am the most important. Next comes the yellow color. It laughed. It said, I bring fun and warmth to the world. The sun, the moon, and the stars are yellow. Now it's right. Yellow color says that I bring warmth to the world, and all the colors of sun, the moon, and the star is yellow. So I'm very important. Next comes the turn of orange, and it says, think of my beauty when I fill the sky at sunrise or sunset. We all know that the sky looks beautiful at the time of sunrise and it looks beautiful at the time of sunset. It looks orange. So orange says that I am the color of sunset and sunrise. Next is red color, which shouted and said, I'm the color of love. We all know that red is the color of love. We give red roses to express our love towards somebody, right? So next is violet. Violet spoke the great power. I am the sign of wisdom. What do you know by wisdom? Wisdom means to have great knowledge. So which color signifies great knowledge or wisdom? Violet. Next comes the indigo color. Indigo spoke quietly. I am the color of silence. You need me for peace. Now, what did the indigo said? Indigo said, I am the color of silence and you need me for peace. Peace is when your state of mind is totally at rest and you're not fighting with each other. You're not thinking about the world and entire thing. You are just sitting yourself and relaxing and calmly just sitting with you. There is no internal fight of thoughts in your brain that I have to do this, I have to do that, he did this, he did that. No, peace means that you're just sitting calmly. You're not confronting, you're not fighting with anybody. The colors then stopped talking to one another, how sad they were. Now, why were the colors sad? The colors were sad because they stopped talking to one another. The next page says, suddenly there was a flash of lightning. The 7 colors heard rain speak in a loud voice. So who spoke in a loud voice? The rain. You foolish colors, fighting among yourselves? Now, what did the rain say to the colors? The rain said to the colors, you are so foolish. Are you fighting among yourselves? Don't you know that each one of you was made for a special purpose? Okay, purpose means use. Now the colors are told by the rain that why are you fighting like foolish people? Each of you has some importance in the world. You are equally important. So you should not fight by saying, I am important, I am important. All of you are very important. The rain tells the colors that when it will rain, all of you will join hands and stretch across the sky. The rainbow will be formed, which is a sign of hope, so that we can all get together and shine even with our differences. So it says that rainbow is a sign of hope, and rainbow is made up of the 7 colors. You are those 7 colors which make the rainbow. And in spite of your different natures, in spite of your different roles in the world, still you come across, whenever it rains, you join your hands together and you stretch in the sky. In spite of your differences, you still stretch in the sky together and you look beautiful. You give a sign of hope to everybody. The colors felt ashamed. They obeyed the rain and they stopped fighting and they were happy again. Now, these are the few difficult words from the chapter, my dear students. Let us read them. Fight, important, nature, laughed, warmth, beauty, sunrise, wisdom, quietly, silence, peace, flash, lightning, foolish, special, purpose, obeyed, stretch. So thank you so much, my dear students. I hope you like this video and I hope that you are clear with this chapter, and we will be coming with more videos, and keep on watching the videos and liking the channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.